This is the new tram train. Trafnidiaeth Cymru, Transport for Wales. So there we are.
Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome aboard your Transport for Wales service to Cardiff Queen Street, which will be our next and final stop. In the interest of safety and security, if you do see or hear anything you deem suspicious, please contact a member of train crew or text the British Transport Police on 61016. Once again, when leaving this service today, please mind the gap between the train and the platform edge, and remember to take belongings with you. Thank you. Look at the cab there.
Oh yeah, thanks. Oh, brilliant.
Also, you can't look at the cab.
I know, I can see. Oh, marvellous. Oh, cheers. And that's the speed and everything.
Yeah, so that's the driver screen on the right hand side there.
Oh,
That's all the MCB switches.
all right.
And you've got the
Controller.
conductor screen on the right hand side.
All right.
It's not working on this minute, but yeah, they're quite nifty. GSM on the left, and then them two screens on the left hand side. That's the way the drivers can see the outdoor, the exterior cameras.
All right.
So then they can see people running outdoors.
And if any, God forbid, anyone gets stuck in the door, like.
Yeah, that's it. Basically, yeah.
Thanks so much. All right, brilliant. Thank you. Thanks. Thank you very much. Thanks.
Have a good day.